Hey guys, Mike was Gettin Greasy Garage. Well, being it's Sunday, the Lord's Day, I didn't get a whole lot done. I got the stop panel primed and painted today. I had it all down to bare metal, so I couldn't leave it exposed long. And I've still got some more work to do down the next section, so I went ahead and primed it and painted it. It came out looking really nice. Pretty happy with the results. A lot of work, stripping all that paint off, and there was a little bit of putty work I had to do in a few spots, a few rust holes. Filled in where the old heater hoses used to come through, but come out looking pretty good. Hopefully the rest of it looks as sharp when it's done, and I think it will. The other part was grinding all the paint off and everything. On the frame here yesterday, I ran out of wire brushes for my die grinder. So I'll have a trip to Harbor Freight in my near future to restock on those so I can finish stripping this. Basically, I just want to strip from this line here at the bottom of the tranny tunnel, this surface here, and then right here. Strip that down because it was just so chipped up. There were some dents in it that I had to remove. And then, I have to weld them two plugs in. I was going to leave those for upper bell housing bolt access. That's what they were intended for, but they're in a different location on the 385 series, so I'll just go ahead and weld in the patches that I've already got cut out. But, yep, it's every little bit moving forward. But I'm pretty happy with how my paint turned out. Got a nice shine to it. I'll be able to put the wiper motor on, the hood latch. So, yeah, forward progress. But anyway, like I said, it's Sunday. I didn't do a whole lot today, and I couldn't leave this in bare metal with the moisture here. And Western Washington, things rust pretty fast. So, yep, next, get the rest of this painted, the frame painted so I can get the steering box in. Get that damn steering linkage figured out. I really want to get the engine in this thing right away. But, yep. Every little thing is one step forward. So, anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Just showing you a little bit of paint work got done. It's not much, but, it is what it is. And tomorrow's Monday, a new day. We'll get on to something else tomorrow. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Really helps out the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will do my best to answer them for you. And that's enough out of me. We'll see you in the next one.